Ford Mustang rear spacers are a common modification for humble lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The bonus Ford Mustang rear spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the rear spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford Mustang rear spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Ford Mustang rear spacers can provide high stability. Bonus Ford Mustang rear spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the bonus Ford Mustang rear spacer can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than the lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the Ford Mustang rear spacers are designed with heat dissipation tools to make brake cooling better, distribute in pattern shape. These tools allow the external cold air to flow confusing inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the rear spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which are mandatory in alert the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. So, if you are considering installing the rear spacers on your Ford Mustang, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.